Today, I'm in the popular village of Bishop's Hole. I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this well-presented 3-bedroom detached bungalow, benefiting from sizable front and rear garden, plus ample driveway parking. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe evaluation on your own property, then please do get in touch.